Good boy. Hello. My darling. Oh, look at how small your little head looks. Yeah. With Mama's hand. There's the baby at 2 months and 2 weeks. Yeah. Today is October 16th. And this is our big baby boy, 2 months. At April's house. Yeah, that's right. You gonna give us a smile? Yeah. Pretty, pretty boy. Do 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 do. Woody 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 woody. Smile. Woody 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 woody. No, that's it. Okay, bye bye.